Akufo Addo is the Walking Dead part 35. We wu no nam ho. Ne ni afra. Ne be ma nye adwuma or the complications ye den dey beto ha ye den the hospital file beto ha enko education office. Akufo Addo is an obituary or you locked out. Bibi na kuta no de nam ye twi power ne free no we wu. Enya ko na ogina kromo kasa na nyoma fifiri hinu mu balu. Why bypass 2? Wait, or you're Walking Dead part 35. Tell him, Mrs. Otumia press at 5, obewu afem, na kuma be sizi. But or da also football. Why on to me press at 5 no di manimu, or the mo kwahin. Why bypass 2? Ne sini nyina ya hyehyɛ 100,000. Or nam ho say no, me say ye in file hospital file to her. Enko national lotteries for them ho. It will not enyam koho. Wait. Now say somebody envies Akufo Addo. Or terminator on nam ho. Somebody and Ninya bumped to the chino and there or kidney survive it. And so still, all we know, he's still doing deals in Ghana. Young time you ask Kenya. Many workers say Bumpty, he is begging for kidney in America. Bumpty no. When we are ask Kenya, Akufo Addo near Bumpty no. When we are ask Kenya, still or the America or kidney survival. Na me a doctor na. Kidney can make channel ya show num.
I have some more, Charlie. That guy, Kelvin Taylor, see, what they me back. I received a lot of emails concerning soccer, no, but because first list about out, you can just check everything out on my page, PZTV New York on Facebook. But I'm left with only 2 guys we are mentioning, Bisan Michael and the Urua Steven. These 2 guys, why? Because my WhatsApp numbers now was like it's not active, and it doesn't go. The call it doesn't go through. My friend, my uncle, emails now, but they through which I'm sending more videos, no buy and then we don't respond to it. Because more part of the first letter list now, and secondly, no, Kelvin Taylor, you this guy, then how? So some of you, much about America, Jimmy and Kwan, and Jimmy say, I'll be on country with Jimmy say, my voice crack. Huh? Charlie, more Ghana for Muti. It's too much. See, maybe how I say a kind of question more. More motion, my kids have comments, unnecessary comments. I wouldn't come here to come and disrespect anybody, but oh, yeah, Jimmy, I remember once what Jimmy. You understand me? Which my mom was what Jimmy, because you have to call a spade. You don't just get up and just make videos anyhow. Say Akufo Addo no, or Akufo Addo no, or Terminator, Akufo Addo no, up press up 5, or you press up 5 for Bewu. Charlie, you are sick in the head, bro. You shouldn't be saying those kind of bullshit. Until Kelvin Taylor now, Ghanaians give these people so much reverence. Ghanaians give these people so much attention. That is so wrong. No matter what, he has been elected by Ghanaians. He is a president. You can speak against his governance. You can speak against a lot of things that be offensive. But don't get up and say make all of those kind of stupid videos. Now we need to tackle personality. And now Akufo Addo no, or Akufo Addo no, or you press a 5 for Bewu. Akufo Addo no, Charlie. Oh, bro, this country, Ghana. See, black man, see the mentality is not good. You never see anyone who say white person be on your video. Hey, for being country, bring evidence and bring proof. Someone was so big in America, high video, no attack Biden, say or can say Biden, say. Hey, they can speak against his governance. Trump, people were speaking against his governance. But you don't just get up and make this Kelvin Taylor guy, you are becoming, stop it. You are becoming, stop it. And you can't say, you can't say, you have people who are part of a particular political party who come and support your stupid speeches. It's wrong. We don't do that. If this man was your father, would you speak like this to him? See, that is what I always speak about. Respect. It's a reciprocal thing. You don't respect. Hey, I'm telling you, you are growing up. See, this thing that is going on in Ghana, we have to stop it. I'm telling you guys. More na the mobile page was your comments on quality Jimmy 70 I tell you the Jimmy na moon shanya na Jimmy and Kwana Jimmy and Mujimino. Meanwhile, what's gonna happen never talking any Punyabi. Meanwhile, you don't even have money. But you only come on, you just some choosing to buy data, you come on, you come and write stupid comments. Jimmy for. When the moon shanya and Jimmy, you know. When I was to the Marcus and Costa comments, no. If Akufo Addo was your father, and how would you know? If Akufo Addo was your father, was your uncle, which I know. Then Jimmy Kwan and Jimmy will be like Jimmy Ghana was on. I didn't Jimmy some crown. Can you tell you what Jimmy am? See, most of our bloggers now want you to come to America, has here, any other part of the world. You feel like now you're not in Ghana, so you can speak anyhow. Right? More Jimmy too much. Munya Jimmy 7 with Jimmy. Munya Jimmy 7 is totally bullshit. Because those days now for a friend is a demonstration, protesting, speaking against leaders. No, America, I say no. They were not living outside the nation. They were here. But say much come America and much kwa part of the country. Jimmy and Kwana kwasa some Kwana mudi. What you come America say we shenya say we school so be. Now Jimmy from Koboma Ghana. You always want to speak against any leader that will come. That will come. Ghanaians will speak against MPP. They will speak against NDC. But more to come America say you don't want to learn. You don't want to learn. And then it's called Jimmy 7 Kwana Kabe Bresano. Who can tell that about there? Ghana for our so na we should Jimmy and Jimmy. And not America na Jimmy and Kwana or Jimmy. They be actually them Jimmy and Kwana or Jimmy. I don't know what Jimmy's class are. There's Jimmy 7 Kwana no. Why Jimmy cry too much? I even want to say oh you mad because see sometimes when a man is going wayward, your wife is supposed to put you on the right track. Yes, because now you know airtime. And just someone walks out, watch us kind. Just listen to yourself. Just watch the video once again. Watch the video once again. Say Akufo Addo no, or ultimately compressor 5. If you look at what they say over, see, I just think no, and yet because this man is grown. When you say he can be your father. So just pray that you even get to his age, okay? Just pray. Just pray that you even get to his age. So watch it. Pray that you even get to his age. Because what you're doing, you know, but what you're doing, you know, you have to watch your steps. Pray that you even get to his age. Even at his age, not something point your person 5. Don't even come and start, don't even come and say it because when he's grown. You understand me? He's grown, so like there's no big deal about that. If he cannot do push-up like 5 or 10, there's no big deal about that. He's grown. But I even want to say you now to company where out to no. I even want to say you even if waiting for a 10 power. Because you look so sick in the head. You look so sick in the head. Why Jimmy too much, Kelvin Taylor? Why Jimmy too much? And I'm confessing Ghana for so Jimmy and Jimmy. Huh? And like Jimmy and Jimmy. Because why face the country, you know? People were demonstration, you know? Fine. What is up, Abraham anyway? You can check if I'm on what is be. They cannot even say that because they're in Ghana. Because so what people are Ghana how you know how to talk. Much you come America Jimmy because you think that you are outside Ghana, you know, you can speak to people anyhow, and you have people who come and watch your stupid videos and commend you for doing something good, which meanwhile what you're doing is so full of bullshit and stupidity. Why Jimmy too much? You have to sit down and learn. Was see America so many years now. When you go to school, when you say you are learning something good to go and have Ghana. Go back to Jimmy and Kwana with Jimmy sir. Then Jimmy Samuel no. And then Jimmy Samuel no. Me say me catch him you say soccer no. Mo be videos be Ghana for be na mo so be na mo you ungrateful too much. Ghana for monye so united, monye so divided. Ghana for mo kasa too much. Obi bua na san o san kan kwasasem. Me soccer o ma me bua mo ba makro ma be soccer no. Me nyo be sika o. I don't even me agent. So we have to talk to your agent to begin with the teams. Talk to your agent to begin with the teams. As for mo bi mo ye bua bi mo na mo de Jimmy nko ano mo bi asem videos bi abi. First nipa na sa nipa 13 so for nipa